In this video, I'll show you how to see when a meme coin was created. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to be able to see when a meme coin was created, you need to head over to Dexscreener, right? So from this list of total tokens here, you're going to select any token, right? So I'm going to click on, let me see, I want to click on this right here, right? So I'll wait for it to open. For you to be able to see when a meme coin was created, means that you can actually see when the token was created, right? And once it has been created, there will be buys, there will be sales, right? So for you to see this, you need to come on here from this display tab. You need to scroll up, right? So from here, you can see pair created. This is 6 hours, 42 minutes. So this token has been up for the past 6 hours, 43 minutes. So this is basically how you can see when a meme coin was created. This video solely is for educational purpose only. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.